A Metropolitan Area Network, MAN, is a type of computer network that spans a metropolitan area or a city. It connects multiple local area networks, LANs, and enables communication and data sharing among various organizations, institutions, or residential areas within a specific geographical region. Do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. A MAN typically covers a larger area than a LAN, but is smaller in scale compared to a wide area network, WAN. It provides high-speed connectivity and facilitates the exchange of information between different sites within the metropolitan area. MANs are commonly used by businesses, educational institutions, government entities, and other organizations that have multiple locations or branches within a city. They allow for centralized management of network resources, such as file servers, printers, and databases, resulting in improved efficiency and collaboration among connected entities. The technology used in a MAN can vary, but often includes fiber optic cables, microwave links, or other high-speed connections. MANs can be privately owned and operated by organizations or may be provided by telecommunication companies as a service. Overall, Metropolitan Area Networks play a vital role in supporting communication, data sharing, and resource sharing among entities within a city, contributing to the efficient functioning of businesses and organizations in urban areas. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, and share.